Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and some of the best recipe in the whole entire world. I try my best to give you the best recipe and how to be healthy and looking after yourself at home. You know what I mean? Stay tuned in with some healthy juice and keep yourself up to date. So anyway, don't go anywhere. Sit there and watch this lovely video, which I'm gonna be sharing with you today. My name is Chef Ricardo, as I said before, and please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and the whole social media. I am there for you to keep you updated with natural stuff and natural remedy. Stick up in, don't go anywhere, sit back in that beautiful settee and watch this video from Chef Ricardo today, guys. Stay tuned. Nice, I love the guys, and basically as you can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen over here with Chef Ricardo and the team. I'm gonna be using my small blender today to give you the recipe what you guys been looking for at home. Anyway, this time you need orange. Alright, so basically get yourself a medium-sized orange and remove the skin from the orange, as you can see what Chef Ricardo been doing. I'm gonna be giving you a nice lovely Caribbean style of juice today. Alright, that is lovely and nice. So once you remove the skin from the orange, just cut up the orange into some small pieces and put it straight inside of the blender like this. Oh wow, wow, look at that, man. Now get yourself some cucumber. 95% of cucumber is water, we all know that, guys. If you are allergic to any of these ingredients, please do not use it. Do some research first to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Ginger. You know what I mean? We have to put ginger in, it's a must. Put some ginger straight inside of it. Lemon is a must. Can't do this without lemon. So we're gonna use roughly about half a lemon. Just remove the skin from it. Now all of these things is just natural and authentic ingredients for you to have at home. Cut it up small and put it straight inside of the blender. Alright, now I'm just gonna fill up my blender with some water, with a cup of water. And now I'm just gonna be blending. It's some simple little juice like this, guys. Really simple, but it's just something for you to make at home. Save money and save time. Let's blend this. No time to waste. Alright, that looking lovely and that looking good. Alright, but the only thing I need to say to you, put a little bit of honey inside of it, just like this. Alright, just a tiny little bit of honey if you blend inside of it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Nice and lovely. Alright, now to be honest, this kind of drink is a normal drink, guys, you know what I mean? As I said, this is only come from one person. Who? Chef Ricardo. I'm telling you. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna run this through my strainer, just like this. Alright, look at the color, guys. Look at that beautiful color. You know what I mean? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Look at the color. The color is fantastic and amazing. Alright, so don't waste your time. You know what I mean? Do something like this in the kitchen. Now, I got some tips and ideas for you. Yeah, tips and ideas for you guys. When I'm in the kitchen, I like to share good stuff with the fans them. I make every one of you guys really happy at home in the kitchen when Chef Ricardo is in the kitchen. Look at this lovely juice. Just orange and cucumber with lemon and ginger Put a little bit of honey inside of it. Things looking good. That is lovely and nice. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, put this one side and this one side. Alright, because I'll finish with these things. Alright, now what I'm going to do is show you what you can do at home in your kitchen. You know what I mean? Especially if you're off from work and have to stay home with the kids and the family, and you know what I mean? Yeah, you have to do something to just keep a vibes going, you know? You don't want to cuddle up yourself too much, you know what I mean? Yeah. So if you call over your friend and you sit back down, this is what you can do. Get some Jamaican red syrup and some coconut rum or Jamaican white rum. You can get them there, alright? So basically, what I'm going to do all of the first, guys, so what I'm going to do, alright, this is some coconut rum, which I have right here. I'm going to be using a shot of the coconut rum and put it straight inside of it. Alright, you can't give the kids them this to drink though. Alright, make sure if you want to give them, you take out away the rum and all these things. Alright, now we're going to put a cork of the Jamaican red syrup inside of it. And that's supposed to give it a lovely color. Give it a lovely little mix like this. That's supposed to give it a lovely color. Could give it another little bit of shot inside of it, you know what I mean? Red up the color a little bit. Put another table cork full of the rum, of the syrup, and see. Ah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Look at that beautiful color. That amazing color, guys. Look at that color. Fantastic and amazing. Okay, alright. Now, we're just gonna be serving this up, you know what I mean, with some Jamaican ice. Yeah, Jamaican ice. Yeah, we're gonna use some Jamaican ice. Perfect. Now, once you do that, you can either do a thing like this, give us some secret. Get a few slices of the cucumber. And just simple. Put it straight inside of it. You know what I mean? Lemon, same thing. So basically just bringing a lovely flavor to it. Alright, now let's pour out that beautiful drink. Welcome to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Welcome to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Welcome back again in the kitchen with more recipes and ideas. And you know, Chef Ricardo have to make every one of you happy and have a good time at home. Don't go anywhere, stay right there. We have a lot more recipe where you can watch. Go down in the description box and, you know what I mean, leave your comments. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. The recipe will be on my Instagram or my website, chefricardo.co.uk. Go over there and get some recipe from Chef Ricardo. Guys, you see that one? Look at the color, look at the texture, look at everything. Cucumber with orange, sweetened with honey and Jamaican syrup, and served with Jamaican ice and Jamaican coconut rum. Stay tuned and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Sunday evening, this would be lovely to go with some rice and peas and fried chicken with coleslaw or potato salad. My God.